Yeah, hi Apurva.
Yeah, how's you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, same here. I'm also good. Which course did you enroll in?
Okay. So it was Lean Six Sigma Green Belt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so how was your experience during the training?
It was really good actually. A lot of learning. So I was hoping to develop some basic understanding of Six Sigma and also to, maybe someday implement it. So all in all, I mean, I had a good understanding of all the concepts and even the basic one as well as the advanced ones. So it was good. Yeah.
So, how did Henry Harvin LMS and study materials helped you? Okay.
The class was very extensive in terms of practical exercises as well as theory, so that was sufficient enough to clear the course, but I will definitely go through the material also. Yeah.
Yeah, so what about the trainers? So, did you find the sessions interactive and were you able to engage with the trainers?
Absolutely. Yeah, it was all good. The trainer was I think it was Mr. Praveen.
Okay.
So yeah, the trainer was very good. It was interactive. He was approachable and encouraged, asking questions and all. Yeah.
Yeah. So, how did you manage your college life and the training? So, was it hectic or easy?
So I'm not into college. I am working right now.
Okay.
Uh, in terms of that, it was a little hectic because I had chosen the weekend batch. So the
Okay.
training was from 9 to 5. So it was a bit hectic, but yeah, I did manage somehow.
Yeah. So, how did you get to know about Henry Harvin?
Okay. It was through friends basically. So uh, I am right now going into an MBA college. So the incoming cohort, all the students decided to basically pursue this Lean Six Sigma, and we were basically informed about Henry Harvin from the current batch. So
Okay.
they actually informed us that there is Henry Harvin, and you can pursue this program through them.
Yeah. So, will you be recommending others for these training programs?
Yeah, absolutely. Why not? Sure.
Yeah. So, thank you, Zen, for your wonderful review.
Thank you.